Erin from dinnersdishesanddeserts.com, and today we are going to make Mexican skillet potatoes. If you love taco night, you are going to love this dinner. It is like tacos, only better. Instead of a taco shell, we are going to use crispy potatoes. That all comes together in one pan, topped with melted cheese, and it is delicious. Then you add on your favorite taco toppings for such an easy dinner. My family loves pretty much anything with Mexican food and any excuse to add avocados to a dish, so this is one of our favorites. You can use potatoes that you have already diced, or you can use hash browns that come pre-cut from the store. Both of them work, and you are just gonna cook them in the pan until they are crispy and golden brown. In a large skillet, we are gonna make a batch of taco meat. We're gonna brown our ground beef until it's cooked. If there's any fat, you can drain that away and then add in your taco seasoning. Next, we'll add the water that's called for on the back of the packet and mix it all together. Once it's simmered and the water is all absorbed, we will remove it from the pan, and next we'll cook our potatoes. We're gonna add a little oil to the pan and add the potatoes. We want the potatoes to cook for a few minutes, and they are going to be fork tender but crispy on the outside. This makes extra delicious potatoes for this skillet potato recipe. Once the potatoes are cooked, we're gonna pour in some salsa and mix it all together, and then we're gonna add our taco meat back to the pan. Once that's all nice and combined and the taco meat's warm again, we are gonna sprinkle over our cheese. Here I like to put the lid on to help the cheese melt faster, and then it is time to eat. Once the cheese is completely melted, remove the lid, and then it is time to top with whatever you enjoy. I like to just have toppings ready to go on the table, and people can top their own plate with whatever they like. I like a little bit of fresh tomato, avocado, and a dollop of sour cream on mine. That is the perfect taco night, so much better than just your average tacos. These your family is gonna love. You can head on over to dinnersdishesanddeserts.com to get the full recipe.